Okay, so here's a little snack here, some sardines and some crackers. You can choose whatever crackers you want, and then try to find a certain sardine that you want, and just eat them out with a fork and turn off the microwave and just have some sardines and crackers. Thank you for watching. Okay, a little part 2 to that video. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a spoon here, I guess. And then I'm gonna try a sardine. Pretty tasty. And from what I understand, really good for you. And the oils in the meat, lean meat. And then got these pretzel crackers. Wow. Really tasty. Really good snack. Recommend sardines and crackers every once in a while. Thank you for watching. Here, I'll show you a little bit more of this sardine. Yummy. And the juice is really good too. When you have the sardines with the crackers, a little bit of the juice with the sardines is really tasty. Highly recommend it. Really tasty. Having the sardines and these pretzel crackers are pretty good. I may have to try those, but I'm gonna work on trying to get some different sardines and different crackers and try different things out and post some more updates. Thank you for watching. Okay, so sardines are done. Pretty tasty with some crackers. Yeah, try them out. When you're a chef, you like to try different things and try different flavors. And maybe even throw those on a pizza. Instead of anchovies, although I like anchovies. But you can throw sardines on the pizza, maybe. Might try that later. Talk to y'all later.